Imagine enjoying perfectly crispy fries, tender chicken wings, and guilt-free desserts all cooked with little to no oil. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's time to turn that dream into reality. Welcome to our countdown of the top 5 best air fryers of 2025. This year, air fryers are smarter, faster, and more versatile than ever before. Whether you're after a compact model for quick snacks, a family-sized powerhouse, or one loaded with cutting-edge features like Wi-Fi connectivity and multi-layer cooking, we've got something for everyone. And stay tuned for our pick. It's not just an air fryer, it's your all-in-one kitchen wizard that will change the way you cook forever. Ready to upgrade your cooking game? Let's jump in. Number 5. Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro Air Fryer. Air fryer, if you're looking for an appliance that can air, fry, roast, bake, and even dehydrate, this might be the one for you. We'll explore the features, pros, and why it could be your next go-to kitchen gadget. Let's get started. First off, the design of the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro is sleek and modern, fitting right into any kitchen style. It comes with an interior light, which is super handy for checking on your food without opening the door. This oven isn't just for air frying. With 13 different cooking functions, you can toast, bake, roast, slow cook, and more. Whether you're reheating pizza or baking cookies, there's a setting for everything. It's incredibly versatile. What sets this oven apart is its Element IQ system. It uses 6 quartz elements and smart algorithms to direct heat precisely where it's needed. This ensures even cooking, eliminating those annoying cold spots in your food. Another standout feature is the super convection technology. This allows hot air to circulate more effectively, making it perfect for air frying and dehydrating. It speeds up cooking time by up to 30%, saving you time in the kitchen. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro comes with a variety of accessories, including a pizza pan, broil rack, and mesh basket. The LCD is easy to use, helping you select the right cooking function and track your progress. So is the Breville Smart Oven and Air Fryer Pro worth it? With its versatility, smart technology, and convenient features, it's a must-have for anyone looking to simplify their cooking. For discounts and updated prices, check the links in the description below. Number 4. Instant Vortex Plus 6 Quart XL Air Fryer. This air fryer promises to make cooking faster, healthier, and super easy. Let's break down what makes it stand out and if it's worth adding to your kitchen. Stay tuned. The Instant Vortex Plus 6 Quart XL looks sleek and modern. It features a large, easy-to-read LCD and an interior oven light, and includes useful accessories like pizza pans and oven racks. At its core is the Smart Element IQ system with 6 quarts of elements and smart algorithms. It ensures heat is distributed evenly, eliminating cold spots for perfectly cooked meals every time. One of the standout features is its 13 cooking functions. Whether you're roasting, airing, frying, baking, or dehydrating, this appliance does it all, so it's a true multitasker for your kitchen. The air fry feature is fantastic, delivering crispy golden fries and more. Thanks to its super convection technology, you can expect faster even cooking with up to 30% reduced cooking time. Operating this air fryer is a breeze. The intuitive LCD screen helps you choose your cooking mode, and the guided recipes included make trying new dishes fun and easy, even for beginners. To wrap things up, the Instant Vortex Plus 6 Quart XL Air Fryer is a highly versatile, user-friendly appliance, perfect for any home chef, whether you're into air frying or slow cooking. It covers all bases. If you're looking for a countertop gadget that saves time and delivers delicious results, this could be your next best investment. To check availability and current pricing, see the link in the description below. Number 3. Cuisinart Basket Air Fryer. A powerful countertop oven and air fryer combo. If you're into convenient, crispy, and versatile cooking, this might just be your new best friend in the kitchen. Let's break it down and see if this air fryer lives up to the hype. The Cuisinart basket air fryer offers 13 different cooking functions, including air frying, roasting, baking, and even dehydrating. It's like having a mini kitchen powerhouse right on your countertop, powered by 6 independent quartz elements and smart algorithms. The Element IQ system ensures precise cooking. This technology adapts to your cooking needs, providing even heat distribution and eliminating cold spots. The super convection fan takes air frying to the next level. It enhances airflow, allowing for faster cooking times and perfectly crispy results, ideal for golden French fries or roasted veggies. Whether you air frying your favorite snacks or dehydrating fruit for healthy snacks, the Cuisinart basket air fryer's dual functionality allows you to achieve perfect results every time, with up to 4 trays of dehydrated goodness. The interior oven light is a thoughtful addition that helps you monitor your cooking without interrupting it. Plus, the included pizza pans, oven racks and broil rack make this air fryer even more versatile. So, there you have it, the Cuisinart basket air fryer with Element IQ system is truly a kitchen multitasker. Its 13 cooking functions, smart technology and efficient design make it perfect for quick, delicious meals. If you're looking to save time without sacrificing flavor, this air fryer is worth checking out. For updated prices, click the link in the description below. Number 2. Ninja DZ201 48-quart dual-zone 2-basket air fryer. This innovative air fryer promises to make meal prep easier and faster, and we're going to explore why it's making waves. Let's jump in. The standout feature of this air fryer is its 2 independent baskets. You can cook 2 different dishes simultaneously, saving you from the hassle of back-to-back cooking, perfect for busy families. The Smart Finish feature ensures both dishes finish cooking at the same time, even if they require different settings. Meanwhile, Match Cook lets you copy settings across both zones for larger meals. This air fryer isn't just for frying with 6 cooking functions: air, fry, air, broil, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. You'll have plenty of options to whip up your favorite meals and snacks. The 8-quart capacity is perfect for family-size portions. You can cook up to 4 pounds of fries or chicken wings, making it ideal for larger households or gatherings. No more small batches. The baskets and crisper plates are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze, plus it cooks with up to 75% less fat than traditional frying, so you can enjoy healthier versions of your favorite dishes. To wrap it up, the Ninja DZ201 Foodie 2-basket air fryer is a fantastic addition to any kitchen. It saves time, offers versatility, and provides healthier cooking options. If you're looking to upgrade your meal prep, this air fryer is worth considering. Number 1. Instant Vortex Slim 6-quart air fryer. If you're looking for a sleek, efficient, and quiet air fryer, then stick around, because this might be the one for you. The Instant Vortex Slim is a real countertop hero. It's slimmer than the standard 6-quart model, so you get more prep space without sacrificing cooking capacity, perfect for small kitchens. This air fryer is your go-to for air frying, broiling, baking, roasting, and reheating, from crispy fries to roasted veggies. It does it all, allowing you to create delicious meals effortlessly. Thanks to its advanced even crisp technology, you'll get perfectly golden, crispy results every time. It ensures that air flows from top to bottom, delivering that crunchy texture we all love in an air fryer. No more waiting around the Vortex. Slim preheats in no time, and the one-touch smart programs make cooking even easier. Whether it's wings, cookies, or veggies, just press a button and let it do the rest. Nobody likes a noisy kitchen, and thankfully, this air fryer is Quiet Mark certified, plus cleanup is a breeze with its non-stick dishwasher-safe basket and tray, so you can spend more time enjoying your meal. To wrap it up, the Instant Vortex, a slim 6-quart air fryer, is a game-changer. Its slim design, versatile features, and easy cleanup make it a perfect addition to any kitchen if you're looking for convenience without compromising on quality. This one's worth checking out. When choosing an air fryer, it's important to consider your needs and budget. With so many great options on the market, you're sure to find an air fryer that's perfect for you. That's all for now. So hopefully you did enjoy the video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more videos like this one. We will see you in the next video. Thank you.